and today I'm going to share with you another quick, easy recipe that you can use if you are challenged with your high blood sugars or you're pre-diabetic, and we'll be using the mango. Now, mangoes are really high in natural sugars, and those persons who are challenged with high blood sugars should stay away from those things that will spike the blood. However, it is the volume that you use. If you are using a mango, you wouldn't use all of the mangoes at once. You will use just one, and you would also pair that mango with something that slows down the spike, something that is totally fibrous, like oats. So today we're going to make a mango and oat smoothie. So let's go over the ingredients. We have one medium-sized ripe but firm mango. We have 1 cup of almond milk, 1 cup of rolled oats, and some ice. Our first step is to prepare the mango, so we're going to slice the 2 sides, and we're going to remove all of the meat from the inside, and then we're going to add it with all the other ingredients to the blender. Smoothie is done. Looks good. Now it's time to taste. Portion sizes or portion control is very important when it comes to managing your pre-diabetes. So we're going to use a medium-sized glass, not a large glass, to drink our smoothie. Well balanced, light, easy to pull. You don't get that extra sweetness because we added no extra sugar. We just used the natural sugar from the mango, and we used the oat to bring down that sugar level. Mango and oat smoothie. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this drinks recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other drinks recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.